cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The
I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all this jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we're going to be working on another Grow Your Fro with protective and low manipulation styles. This will be episode number 21, and we're installing some spring twists with the hair that you just saw in the previous clip, as well as the crochet latch hook. So yeah guys, this is the braid pattern that we're using today. I basically just braided her hair to the back and just crocheted the remaining ends of her hair into the braids that were braided to the back. And I made sure to put a braid right across the nape of her neck because I didn't want to add too much tension to the back of her neck. So yeah guys, we're just going to be installing these spring twists on this video in these upcoming clips, and that is basically it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy. So yeah guys, as a rule of thumb, make sure that you are covering the natural hair as best as possible, especially where you have clustered the hair together. So I try to make sure that I fill this in really well so that there won't be any any weird looking situations going on with the hairstyle. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in. Make sure that you cover the natural hair as best as possible. It's easy to cover the braids, but when once you get to that clustered hair, it becomes a little bit more difficult. And sometimes just for that reason, depending on how much hair you have, you may have to order more hair just because of that. So keep that in mind when you're ordering your hair as well, especially if you have longer hair. So yeah guys, I just wanted to add that in just in case.
So yeah, guys, we discovered when we were installing these spring twists that we did not have enough hair. We didn't order enough hair from Amazon. So we had to order more hair and then wait for it to come the next day. So this is actually the next day. And I do want to say each pack comes with a row. Well, each pack comes with 3 rows, and on each row there are only 15 twists. So yeah, we ended up using about 3.5 packs. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Make sure that you order enough hair. I didn't realize that it was only 15 twists to a row. I initially thought that it would only take maybe a pack or 2 of hair to complete her head, but as I said, there was not enough hair in that pack. So yeah, guys, we're just continuing on with the process. So yeah, guys, after filling in where I needed to fill in hair, we are pretty much done with this look. Let us know what you guys think in the comment section. Hopefully this will last a good week or two. And we do plan on reusing this hair. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. We really appreciate your time and energy. We look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a tapu. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm still on top of these buffaloes. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco or the